All right, let's look at the Nasdaq, the SPX, and some of the other indices and see what's going on there too. So on the Nasdaq, we closed a beautiful fat green, okay, but when I step it back, there's no divergence yet on the weekly chart, so there's higher prices to come. If we put it to the daily chart, however, I think there's a pullback. We have some divergences playing out now on the daily chart, so we have to sit and look. So we have one here, one there, one there. So I do expect that at the very least we'll come into this box and test this box, and if you put it back on the daily chart, we'll probably come and test these tops here, somewhere here, touch the top of the Bollinger, and then continue our journey to the upside. So I do expect a pullback here on the Nasdaq before we continue going up. If we go to the XPX, so if you look at the XPX, and I think it's a very similar story as well on the XPX. So on the XPX on the daily chart, again, we have the divergences in play, and we've got a stopping candle as well. So what I do expect is, again, is a pullback to the Bollinger, and the Bollinger is sitting around 6239 or below, slightly below double bottom here, triple bottom around the 6209, and then we'll go up higher. We can also quickly have a look at the Dixie, the dollar, right? So the dollar is going to go up higher. So if you look at this daily chart, it's going to go higher. You can expect the dollar to go higher. The weekly chart would be a positive candle. We expect higher prices on the dollar. If you put it on the 12 hours, you can see we have a divergence already in play. We'd expect the dollar to go higher. Let's move it on to gold. And last week we wanted gold to go up, and I think gold would have gone up as well. So gold went up, pulled back a little bit, and if you put it to the weekly chart, you can see here we have kind of like a stop. Selling volume is coming to the market. I do still expect that gold will still keep creeping up to go and do that double top. You know, that double top, that triple top, double top here is still in play. If I step it to say 12 hours, 12-hour chart, you can see we're going sideways consolidation to continue the leg to the upside. So that's a bit of an update on gold. If we also look at oil is also going to collapse. So oil is going to go down on the daily chart. You can see here we tried to go, we couldn't go. Oil is now ready for its collapse back to maybe about the 65, 65, 60 zone.